yeah, we'll go dogs up.
Try that area.
Oh my god!
Oh shit.
Here. Baby, bro! Yo!
What the fuck? Oh, sige bro.
Gosh. Yo. Yo, it's perfect. Yo, oh yo.
You got it.
Yo. Yo. Yo.
Okay, let's go howl at the moon.
Ow! Yo. Yo.
Yeah.
It really is.
Magical day, and there's some like you can also like there's some like islands inside ba no?
Oh wow.
Just like
It's actually beautiful. It's like so gorgeous. Wow. And the stars.
dati yung bulan. Bulan is moon.
Yeah, buwan.
Bulan.
Bulan.
in
Bulan in Cebuana.
Cebuana.
Yeah.
Wow. Dati yung bulanan niya.
Makita na to na dito ba?
Oh.
Pag gawas na.
Oo.
Tomorrow we can see the moon like in the dark.
Yeah.
Instead that we can see the sunset, we can waiting the moon to going up.
Yo, it's really bro, the stars! Big Dipper! The stars! Constellations. So great. What's the music?
Ha?
I hear music.
Techno.
Motorbike singing.
Motorbike singing. No need to play music on the motorbike.